So I can tell, not many people like my car videos, except for people who drive Grand Prix, GTPs. So I know most of my fan base is basically metal detectors and stuff. And the reason I haven't gone doing that is because this vehicle right there has been broke down for several years. But now all I need is new front tires on it. And then I could go metal detecting again. Because it runs, but it's an ugly beast. Here's my dog, Boo. Boo! Hey, buddy. So yeah, this thing is gonna be running, but it's not gonna be mine anymore. I gave it to my son. Because, you know, as you know, I spend most of my time on this thing. This is all gonna be fixed. All of it, all the way around. It's gonna look new again. I already started on this other side. I've done so much to this thing in the last few months. See, I replaced this. That's what this whole side looked like. I replaced this all the way up to here, but I can't roll these windows down because my motors don't have any power to them. And I just was too lazy. I already have this piece and the bottom piece to fix it. But here's my point. Let me introduce you to my new metal detecting vehicle. Yeah, it's my 97 F-150 Ford pickup truck. So yesterday, what I did is I replaced all new rotors on the front and brakes because it was bad. Here's my garden. Anyways, so yeah, it's my new to me 97 F-150. It just needed all new iron all the way around. This weekend, yesterday, like I said, I replaced the rotors and the brakes myself. Oh, let me just scoot over here. Next weekend, probably Saturday, because I gotta have some touch-ups done to my new exhaust that I put on that. But this weekend, I'm gonna put new drums and brake pads on the back end. It also needs a radiator because it will puke. It's got a crack. The radiators in these, the sides are made out of plastic, so there's a crack in it, so I gotta keep it filled up with fluids. Boo! Come here. Come here. Come here, dude. Hurry up. Come here. Come here. Come on. Boo. Come on. Need some help? Let's go. Come on. Get over here. Get over there. Go house. Anyway, so yeah, this weekend, I already have all the parts. We're going to place the drums and the brakes on both sides in the back. And then all I need is a new radiator, which I can do myself too. Yeah, guys, here's my new metal detecting machine. It's 4x4, 2 high, 4 low, whatever. It's got it. Anyways, I can't wait to start making metal detecting videos again. You guys have a good night. Peace out, and word to your mothers.